release on Netflix? Let's start the video now. Now on Netflix, Wonder Boy chronicles a yearish with inside the existence of Olivier Rousteing, the WonderCon-style fashion dressmaker who has become an innovative director at Chi Chi Fro Fro French style residence Balmain at the gentle age of 24. Anissa Bonifon's animated documentary takes an uncommon technique, foregoing the standard talking head bio tropes, use of varied fashion to comply with her challenge as he sweats his manner via celeb-studded high fashion events and attempts to discover his star mother who gave him up for adoption straight away after he was born. That's the narrative thread guiding us via this story, which contrasts high-gloss glamour with uncooked emotion. Wonder Boy offers us masters of hyper-gloss and hyper-reality, however now no longer consists of in-between, how he executed his success, his unique layout aesthetic, and now no longer even where's and what's of what we are seeing. There is not a new subtitle to be determined with inside the movie that's as clean as it's frustrating. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. I assume Bonifon's purpose is to invoke a feeling empathy over all else. However, there's a little feel of Rousteing's connection together along with his paintings. Are his paintings satisfying? Does he now and again discover himself going via the emotions? Is he channeling his act into art, or is it only a distraction from his feelings of untethered loneliness? As near as we now and again get into Rousteing, the movie has a tendency to be intractably impressionistic. Even if Rousteing cries and snorts bubble out of his nose, he is nonetheless beautiful. He has that going for him, and one receives the feeling that Bonifon's, even rich and famous, go through a technique to the Rousteing profile, is posed and polished, and there are not any pictures of Rousteing in his jammies. So the moments of grief we witness endure a contrasting weights, and it's a small miracle that they arrive off so genuine, now and again uncomfortably in the movie, that they barely hedge of rivet frame. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.